This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly mind-blowingly effective. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it makes your daily routine effortless. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, there is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it sells out everywhere. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This might just most satisfying is undoubtedly mind-blowingly effective. This viral item is literally everywhere right now.